Beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be about Amazon favorites. You can actually see one of them working and it's giving my video very mysterious vibes. This video is going to be about my Amazon favorites. I did one of these 2 months ago and I wanted to do another one just because, like I said in a few videos, I've been wanting to do more sit down talking videos, just be more fun and chill on my channel and just do a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna try to just be more myself and just make videos that I would want to watch, and hopefully you guys like it. I know a lot of you guys always say like, I love when you do talking videos, can you bring back talking videos? Or when I'm in my story talking, you guys are like, I love your voice, I want to hear you talk more, like I want to hear your opinion on this, can you do more videos like that? So here I am talking. I hope you enjoy it. Also, today's makeup is very over the top. I don't know, I was just feeling the vibes today. I feel very when I used to work at MAC, this is how I used to look. Alright, so we have a good amount of stuff, so let's jump into it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is my phone case. It seems so basic, but I am loving this phone case. So normally I go for like hard plastic phone cases or like really big sturdy phone cases, and I wanted something different that I wouldn't get bored of, that looked really chic. And I came across this white one and I was like, why haven't I ever gotten a white phone case? Surprisingly, it stays really clean. I haven't even like recently cleaned this or anything. It just stays really clean. So it's like that silicone rubberized material. You know, like when you buy an iPod, or not an iPod, I'm old. When you buy AirPod cases, that like silicone material, it kind of feels like that, but it's hard. And then the inside has a like faux suede kind of material, which is really cool. I just love this phone case. It's so chic, so simple. I love that it's white. I feel like it just feels so clean. I just got a little bit of red lipstick on it. If you just rub it in, that's it, it's gone, like even with just my skin. So I love this. You can rub it against your clothes to clean it, and it just looks so chic. I love it because I never see people with white phone cases, so I feel like different, whatever. Aquarius vibe. You guys have probably seen before, it is these slippers. So I've had these since November. That's why they don't look as fresh and clean as they could, but here they are. I got the gray ones just because I felt like the pink ones were just, sometimes I really love pink, but sometimes I feel very childish with pink, and the gray ones just felt a little bit more grown up. I know it's stupid, but I loved that powdery bluish gray color. These are so stinking cute, so comfortable. I love the crisscross, really fuzzy design. They do have a nice like 2-inch heel, if you will, or cushion. Decent material. They, you know, I'm really heavy in comparison to like some of the other girls that you're going to see talk about these, and so for wearing them for a few months now consistently, they have stayed in really good condition. You can see that they don't look extremely worn out at all, and I like to wear these in the morning, during the day. My only thing is that because they are fuzzy, keep them clean, like spray them with alcohol, make sure you kind of like scrub them down a little bit so that they stay fresh, because something like this could give you like an athlete's foot if you don't keep them clean. So I just sprayed mine down with alcohol and use a little brush to kind of make sure that any like sweat and like things like that from your feet don't make these all dirty and gross. But I love these. I think they're definitely worth the money. I've seen them at other retailers for more money and they're the same ones. I think I'm gonna pick up another pair. Right, the next thing I'm truly loving, I just got this, is this mini baby humidifier. So it plugs in through a USB. I have it connected to my laptop, and I use this while I'm working because my big humidifier that we got from like Bed Bath & Beyond years ago is in the bedroom, and that one is next to the bed. So it kind of like really works in the bedroom, and we usually use it at night, but during the day it gets dry too. And I don't know about you guys, but in the wintertime my nose gets very dry. I don't get nosebleeds, but it literally hurts to breathe, like to the point that the cold air hurts my nose, and sometimes I have to literally put water in my nose or like Vaseline and breathe through my mouth because it hurts so bad. So, and also I have asthma, so to help with that, this little baby humidifier can come with me wherever I am in the house, and literally I can have it in my face. You're not supposed to put oils in here, but I did put a little bit of peppermint oil, essential oil, and I loved it. It worked really well. This has a lot of vapor. So you can plug it in both ways. You can use this smaller side and then put the USB into your phone charger or to your laptop, or you can put this side into something and put the USB on here. So you just plug it in. It only works plugged in, and it's really, really easy to use. You go like this. This is the filter. The water's inside. You close it clockwise, open it counterclockwise. It's so, so cool. So there is also light here as well. So if you wanted to use this in a little kid's room, your baby's room, or your bedroom, this also could work as a night light. So you press it once for non-stop vapor, or you can press it twice and it'll do, I think, 6 seconds, and then it pauses. And then it starts again, and then it pauses. And then if you hold it down for 1.5 seconds, you get light. I think mine's already going. So you see at the top here, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actually light, and you can change the colors. You can make it go rainbow, or you can leave it to whatever color you want. It also comes in a bunch of colors. This is the pink one. Yeah, so you see this is like a baby pink color. It also comes in white, I think black, a few other colors, but this is amazing. Okay, so since we're on the topic of like health and stuff, I'm gonna go into some kitchen stuff. So in my last Amazon haul, I showed you guys this pink set of utensils, and the link will be down below and in the cards for you. So after I got that set of utensils, of course, I came across more pink kitchen stuff, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna overhaul everything. I need this stuff anyway. I need it. I picked up this set of rose gold and pink utensils. So it's like the same family as the other ones, but these are like little not utensils, gadgets. So here is 4 of them. They're so, so pretty. So this is like a handheld grater that you can use, you know, to grate cheese, or for like zesting. No, that's not a grater. I think it's a zester, right? Or is it both? I guess you could use it for both. And then it's like this one is a little ice cream scoop, or like melon scooper. This is a can opener. It actually is really good. And then this is, babe, is this for garlic? You could put like a piece of lemon or something.
Yeah.
So what would you call this?
Lemon in there just to get the juice out.
What would you call it? It looks like a little meat tenderizer. This one, you put like garlic or a piece of lemon, lime, or whatever you want to juice, and then you squeeze it and that comes out. And there's also a pizza cutter. I just used it, so it's dirty. And I don't remember the other ones, but there's a few more. But I just felt they were so pretty. They're really heavy and nice quality. I like the baby pink like silicone handles with the really pretty rose gold copper tops. This can opener is actually really, really good. These all work really well. They feel like, you know, to me they feel better than what you would get at Walmart. They're decent quality, and for the price you cannot beat it. So pretty, makes me happy to cook. And sometimes, you know, we need that nudge to cook, because we are a food delivery service generation, so we need cute things in the kitchen to inspire us. Speaking of, I got rid of all of my plastic Tupperware because the environment, but also because gross. And I picked up this really cute set of glass pink top storage, food storage bowls or food storage containers. And it's a set of, I want to say like 10 or something like that, or 8. I think it was 4 big ones and 4 small ones, and it was perfect enough for just the 2 of us to get rid of all of the other plastic containers. Plus, when you have plastic and people come over, they just want to take all your food. No, no, no. What if I did a Zoom and it was like, no, no, no. These are so perfect. The sizes are perfect, because the little ones are really great for like sauces or veggies, things like that. And then the big one, you could do like full meals, or if you were using these for work, you could do like your meal with your snacks or dessert. Just perfect. And then the tops are not safe for heating, but the actual glass bowl storage part itself you can put in the microwave, which is amazing. I think they might be oven safe as well. I'm not sure the temperature, but everything will be linked down below. But they're so perfect for actually heating up the food. So when you store it and then you want to eat it the next day, you can put this in the microwave, and it's so much safer. It's healthier for you, better for the environment. And who doesn't love the beautiful baby pink container tops? And then they also snap in super securely, so you put it on top and then it just boom, It's so satisfying to snap these. So yeah, I love them, and not one of them has broken. Okay, for house stuff, the only thing I have for house stuff is these gold geometric shape pillowcases. So this is my pillow with the pillowcase on it. So it just comes with the pillowcase. You're not getting a pillow, but this is a great alternative to buying new pillows. I don't know about you guys, I'm a pillow obsessed hoarder, and I just buy way too many throw pillows. I stopped doing that, and now I'm just like, I'm only gonna buy pillowcases because it's more affordable, it's easier on you, you don't have to store so many pillows for every season, every occasion, and it's just better. And it's also like more hygienic because you can just throw them in the wash instead of having a pillow that you can't wash. So they're really easy to put on. Obviously it has a zipper and just stuff the pillow inside. It's like a metallic and white situation, and I think I got 2 different ones, and one of them had a set of 4 for like 20 bucks. So really affordable. You could use like your seasonal pillows, or if you have like colorful pillows that you don't want to use right now. Let's say you have green pillows, me. So you can see I have an emerald pillow in here that I was using last year in the spring and summer, and then for the colder months I wanted everything to be gold, white, gray, like very, you know, icy colors. And I was like, well, I'm not gonna just like throw out my green pillows in this plastic bag, and there's more in here that I haven't actually used. So it's 4 different styles. This is one of them with this like square kind of design, and then this is another one that's really pretty. I feel like this is giving me like outdoor patio vibes. I love the gold metallic. And then this one is kind of like abstract art vibes. Okay, and then last girly pink thing here is this hair waver, which is amazing. It looks really, really high quality. Like you would never know. I've seen other retailers and brands selling this exact same thing for so much more, and this one does the job. The quality of this is really, really good, and it gives you this really beautiful like mermaid waves. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial down below, but you can turn it on and control the temperature. Everything looks really nice. It feels very high quality. It feels decent. Like I wouldn't say it feels like, you know, a $200 curling iron, but it definitely does the job. It's really affordable and super pretty. I don't know if it comes in any other colors, but I love this, so I definitely want to throw that in there. Last is all dog stuff. You guys know I got my puppy in December, so my Amazon purchases have been a lot of dog stuff, so I want to share some of that with you guys. I think I'm gonna do a separate video on like everything I have for him, but right now I just want to show you what I'm loving from Amazon, because a lot of stuff that I have for him is not just from Amazon. Anyway, so one of the things I found was this Bark Logic Clean and Clear 2-in-1 coat and bed spray. So this is a mint bed spray that is paraben free, sulfate free, hyperallergenic. It's plant based, so yeah, it's natural. So this is a spray that basically has like mint and eucalyptus and things like that, that is meant to refresh your dog's coat. You can also spray this on their blanket, their pillow, their everything basically, and it's like a refreshing spray. It does work. It makes him smell really nice, smells eucalyptusy, and it doesn't seem to bother him. He's not like going crazy when I put it on him, and I just think it smells really good. Keep him fresh and clean, because nobody likes that dog smell. I'm sorry, at least I don't. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like that. Is treats from Amazon as well. He loves these. We go through these so fast. These are the Wellness Soft Puppy Bites, and we got these for him when we first got him, and he's just been loving them ever since. So it's like, why not just keep using them? He's a little pup, he's still a baby, and he loves them. We also got the crunchy ones, and he likes those too, but those make a mess. So I like the soft ones better because he eats them faster. Like, not faster, but when he's eating them, he doesn't get crumbs all over the floor. So I like that. And these are just really great. They encourage him to, you know, pay attention and learn whatever it is I'm teaching him. I've been teaching him a bunch of different things like sit, stay, all that kind of stuff, and these have really worked. He likes the way they taste, and they're really, really affordable. It's like $4 for a bag. As far as toys, I picked up a couple toys for him. This one he really loves, and it's just like a rope. You could use this for a really big dog too. I mean, my dog is probably way too little for this, but he has chewed it up. I mean, you can see right here how much he's already chewed it up. It's really fun for him to do this and kind of like play with the bottom, and I find him like falling asleep on this because he's teething and stuff right now, so he needed something a little bit harder to chew on, and he has been loving this. I think most dogs would love this, and it's a great like training toy to get his attention, get him to follow me. And then I have bought him a few different sweaters and stuff from Amazon. This is my recent favorite. Is this not the cutest thing ever? He looks like a little college professor. I can't deal with this. This is so cute. I mean, it's a turtleneck sweater. Are you kidding me? It's the cutest thing ever. All right, and then last but not least, I also got him this toy. I feel like I'm talking about a child, Jesus. So this is called the Dog Brick Flip Slide and Treat. It is a toy that is meant to stimulate their mind, reduce boredom and destructive behavior, and strengthen the bond with your dog. So immediately, because, okay, when we first got him, right? Like, he's very smart, he's very bright, and then as soon as I brought him home, I was like, oh, he is. Like, he figures things out very quickly. He is a problem solver, and he's stubborn. So I was like, oh, Jesus. So when I got this, I'm like, oh, he's gonna figure this out ASAP. And he did. He really likes it. So I like to put special treats in here. Like, I'll put like food in a couple of them, in a couple of the little compartments. But then you could also put like cheese, peanut butter, chicken, because that's gonna really excite them to try to figure it out. So this is what it looks like. Really, really cute. I don't know why they stay using red in dog toys when dogs can't see red, but okay. So it has these little compartments. Everything opens up, and then the little bones come out, and then you can slide these to make different compartments to change up the look of it. So like, you could put food underneath here, cover it with that. It's just a great way to stimulate their brain because he's a baby, his brain is growing. Okay, so that's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more like this. My Amazon store will be linked down below, so you can shop all of this, and I have a bunch of lists there for everything. And that's it, guys. I'll leave links for what I'm wearing as well down below if you're interested. So thank you for watching. I love you. Don't forget to stay glam, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.